In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use a Chime temporary card. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. You will have access to a Chime temporary card if you have the latest version of the Chime mobile app installed on your phone. So all that you have to do is download the Chime mobile app that you can find on the Play Store or the App Store. Once you have the latest version of the app, sign into your account where you are going to be generating and using the Chime temporary card. And to have access to all the card details and add it to a digital wallet, all that you have to do is tap the settings icon on the home screen at the top left corner, and upon heading into the settings, scroll down until you find the debit category. In there, you will be able to select View My Card Details. When you tap that option, aka View Your Card, you will be redirected to the temporary debit card page where you have the full card number, the expiration date, and the CVV or CVC. By gathering all of this information, you can now make purchases online, or if you wish to make purchases in-store contactlessly, all that you have to do is tap the Add to Apple Wallet or Add to Google Wallet button. This will allow you to add the card to a digital wallet, and as long as your phone has the NFC capabilities, you can now use it to make and manage payments, or whenever you select to make a payment with Apple Pay or Google Pay. Just make sure that you have all the card credentials noted down that you can find upon going into this section, or simply add the card to a digital wallet automatically. Regardless of which option you choose, you will be able to gather all the information about the Chime temporary card and start using it right away. All you need is the latest version of the mobile app, and you should be granted the card if your account is verified and ready to use when you go into the settings and tap View My Card. I hope I was able to help you on how to use a Chime temporary card. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.